Almost done. I have these two things that goes together really well, and I honestly want to show you guys what's inside right now because I haven't used it yet, and I've just seen a lot of YouTubers use it, so I've always thought about getting it and then seeing why it's so different. So today we're gonna unbox this, and I'm gonna show you guys what's inside of this. Maybe you guys might have already seen in the thumbnail, maybe, but yeah, you guys probably will. The first thing that I'm gonna unbox, since this is pretty much done, I want to put that down. I've had the Aputure 100D for the longest time, and I felt like it was like the best light that I've ever used. The only thing I had a problem with was the dome, the light dome. It was extremely hard to put on. This is the Aputure 100D Mark II. It's been out for quite a bit now, so it's not a new light dome, and they actually came out with like 2 or 3 newer models. So this is now a pretty old model. 120D Mark II. I love the carrying case that it comes with. It's just such a nice design. So if I want to pack this light and, I don't know, go traveling with it, I can because it has this nice case with it. It has a dope remote. Nice strap to the remote. Here's this. One of my favorite part about this light dome is that this remote right here. So I'm gonna leave that on the side because I actually use that remote a lot. Everything else I'm gonna leave inside. This is actually very important. Oh man, right here. Ooh, it's kind of different. It's a lot smaller than I remember it. Oh wow. The channel, the group, the DMX, okay. Feels heavier too. A lot more port than I remember. Maybe it did have port in it back then, but I honestly don't remember. We got that power cord here. I'm pretty much gonna link this up to a power cord instead of like battery. Here it is. This is what I'm talking about. It's super quiet, it's super nice, super well designed. Look how it looks. Nice. Very, very nice. Stay. Okay, with the light dome that I got, I don't know if I need this, but I'm gonna leave it out and wow. I'm gonna leave it out and then I'm gonna set it up and hopefully I need it all out. If not, let's not break anything before we even set anything up. I'm gonna put this to the side. Here it is, okay. We gotta make room for this, okay? This isn't like your typical umbrella. I actually don't know what this is. This is the Aputure lantern. So the difference is that it's not concentrated to a certain area. So you know how the last light dome, it basically like shoots it right where you point it. Well, this is a lantern. So it's just a big round circle. Think about a lantern that hangs down from the ceiling. Essentially, this is what it is. The reason why I got this is because if you look behind me, it's slightly dark, okay? Just slightly dark. With this, it's gonna light me and the background. And then I can have another light just shooting from behind me to kind of pop me out from the background. Well, at least that's what I'm hoping it's gonna look like. Actually, before I switch out the light, I just wanna say, you actually don't need this, and make sure you remove this plastic cover. These can go back in the container. Okay, I had to start this again because it's kind of tricky to put this on, and I wanna show you guys that you have to blow it up like this first before you put it onto the 120D Mark II. So all you have to do is inside of this right here, you'll see like a hook that holds it like this. You look inside and you'll see the 2 hooks. This bottom part has a metal bar that's super long. All you have to do is push it down this way. Just push it down until you see the hook and just move the stick into it. Everything will fold out like this. Then you're gonna see these rubber band pieces. Put these on here. And I don't know, you can tighten it if you like, but you don't really need to. And then just close it all up. Make sure no light gets spilled. And after that, it should look like this. And it looks like a light dome. And then you're gonna put it on top of this, okay? I'm gonna do this while sitting down on my desk. And once you do it, put it in and turn it. You should hear a click. Now, this is what it looks like. Just a big light though. You see how it's like, this is all the spots that's gonna be spilled out. That's what I'm talking about. So this is gonna be spilled out and it's gonna have a brighter look. But like I said, let's go ahead and switch it out and see what it looks like. So remember what we got going on right here, okay? All right, this is the 120D with the lantern. Okay, before I was using this. This actually works out really well because it's, look how thin this is. And I just hook it up with the battery and then I can move this around anywhere. There's a con about this is that it's connected with a wire. Of course, I can put battery in there and it might move around, but the wire is what stops me from really moving this stuff around, really using it. The coolest part though, is that the light is a lot softer. Have you guys already noticed the difference? Is that it spills a lot more with this than it did with the last one. Well, you guys can see the background. It looks nice. It's also like kind of a little bit more bright. Look what happened when I turned this off. Look how dark this is. You barely see the light in the side, right? And this is really all the light. The 120D, whoa, the 120D Mark II is all this light right here. I got a remote that goes with it, so I can just do this, you know? And if it's too bright, I can adjust it. Look how cool this is. I can just adjust it like that. Turn this up a little bit. There you go. Right here. That's about good. Anyways, you guys, this is just a introduction, my first impression about this 120D. I actually think it looks amazing. I love the way it's all set up, and I like how the light kind of like spills a little bit. Makes it a different look. All right, you guys, let me know what you guys think in the comment below. Do you like the last light better? Do you like this light better? Either way, chat with me in the bottom and I'll catch you guys in the next video. If this video has helped you guys so far, make sure you hit that like button because it really helps this channel. And of course, hit that subscribe if you guys haven't already, because in this channel, we talk about photography, videography, and sometimes tech review. Just sometimes, like the iPhone 13 or something like that. All right, my name is Andy. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.